Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up Klarna for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Play Store on your device, and then in the search bar simply search for Klarna. You can then hit go or enter on your keyboard and then hit the install button right next to Klarna. Once it's installed, head over to your app drawer and then search for the Klarna app. Open up the Klarna app on your device and then hit continue. Once you're here, you can start browsing, or you can also hit on more at the bottom of your screen, in which you can sign in. But before that, you must select your country. Make sure that your country is listed over here and you're eligible to log into Klarna, and then you can hit sign in. Once you hit sign in, you'll be redirected to your web browser. You can either enter your mobile number or your email address over here and then hit continue and enter your password to sign in. Or you can simply hit create an account if you do not have an account. Here you must enter your phone number, hit continue, and follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to create your account. Make sure that you chose the correct country. As the country code also matters. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.